How to add a new employee, contract laborer, or vendor. Go to Employees in the left side menu. Click on Directory, then select Add New. Choose one from the drop-down menu. Fill in the details. Click Save and Continue. Once saved, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the new record was added successfully. In order to complete the profile or edit information, go to Employees in the left side menu. Open the directory and select the employee, contractor, or vendor you want to update. From here, you can edit their personal details. You can add positions and wages, but remember, you'll need to set up your teams and roles in admin settings first. You can also add contact information, emergency contacts, schedule preferences, and even add notes. Click Save when you're done. You'll see a confirmation message once your changes are saved. Keep all your data organized in one place with Dot5.